Hey everyone, welcome to Master and None Garage. I'm Andrew, and today I'm going to be working on the Dodge Grand Caravan front bumper shin splitter 5000. So here we go. All right, so got the bumper off, and I need to use this bar. Used to be some sprinkler piping in a building. Cut that bar and weld it right here and on the other side. Reason being is because I want to have 4 places where the actual bumper that's going to be on the exterior of the front fascia will be able to be bolted on. So this is going to be able to be removed, and then if I ever need to remove the bumper, I'll be able to. It's not going to be locked on there. That's what we don't want. All right, so I got the bumper back on, and I have the outer bumper, push guard, shin splitter, whatever you want to call it, kind of mocked up. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it's a little long, but I'll cut that. And I'm going to cut this at an angle. We'll see, maybe. But yeah, I think that's a perfect start. That's kind of what I'm trying to go for. And I'm just gonna start here. I'll weld some nuts and stuff so this can bolt to this and it's removable. Yeah, I think that's a good start. I'm just gonna keep on plugging away. All right, I got the bottom piece just tacked in, and it's unboltable and everything. So here's what it looks like. Yeah, kind of have that train effect going, but it's flimsy right now because it's only two tacks in it right now. One right there and one right there. I'm going to take it off later once I connect these two so it's all one piece. I'm going to take it off and finish weld everything and put some pieces, little gussets, to make sure we got a good solid piece, because right now it's just the corners touching pretty much. So I'm going to put some gussets inside here. That'll be later once I connect the two. I think I'm going to connect both pieces. Yeah. All right, I'm done for today. So it looks like something. It looks like something. Going with the whole locomotive deal. I think it looks pretty good so far. I'm going to put some more slats. I don't know what I'm going to use, but I'll use something. But I stand on it. Yep. It's strong. That's a good thing. But I'm going to hand you off to future Andrew. Hey, future Andrew here. So here is what the van looks like right now. It's probably been a month or so since I got to this point of the build. Hope you guys enjoyed the second part. The third part will be coming maybe within the next month. I'm hoping. Gonna fill in the slats on the front there, gonna build it up a little bit taller and maybe even blend it into the van. If you want me to do a voiceover on the third and final part of this van front bumper build, go ahead and put it down there in the comment. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.